All right, here it is. Here it is, my backseat bed. Folding. Hinges open like that. These latches, when it's open, will keep it from folding. Oh, I got a grip on it. You know, I gotta tighten it actually a little bit so that it won't fold while you're laying on it. And then, oh, the legs. Got these hinges. They lock when they're closed or open. This little piece of wood is just for this so it doesn't get crushed here. And I'll show you how to put it in the car. All right, so first you put your front seats all forward as far as you can go. And actually the way I like to do this is slide this in this way. These pieces of wood here are for the back under here, you know, to level it. This is, gotta pull this leg out. Get this across to the other side, like that. Pull this leg out, grab it, swing it open. There it is. Now we gotta latch it. Otherwise, if you don't latch it, when you lay on it, it'll fold up. So those latches right here. There's one on this side. And there it is, ready to go. Throw a sleeping pad on here, sleeping bag, pillow. Close the door. It's not super long. I'm 5'8". I can't stretch out, but if you lay diagonal, you get pretty good. You could curl up. You could put your feet up here if you didn't have boots on. And there you go, camping in the back seat, sedan life.